Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we will be doing some cooking. I'm back in the kitchen once more, guys. Today my cooking will be, as you can see, I will be cooking some pork with gungo, rice and peas. That's my menu for the day. But before we get into our video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to follow me on Instagram at charms_lifestyle and my business page at Golden Charm Beauty Palace, my daughter's business page at Deidre's Fashion District. So guys, and one more thing. Oh, I am so grateful. Thanking you all for my 500 subscribers, guys. I am so grateful for this. Without you, it could not be possible. So thank you guys for my 500 subscribers. So let's get in our video now. So guys, I have already washed my meat and I'm gonna now season. So please season with me. Let us season our meats. I'm going to use paprika. This paprika, I'm gonna use a little. Just a little, not much. That will do. This is ginger powder. I'm gonna use some ginger powder. That's enough. I'm gonna use some Maggi all-purpose. I'm gonna use some Easy Spice all-purpose. I think that's enough. I'm going to add some garlic. Here is my chopped garlic. I'm going to add this. I'm going to add a little soy sauce. And I'm going to add my thyme. I'm going to add just a small amount of thyme for now. So I'm adding my thyme. I'll just use that for now. And I'm going to marinate my meat. And when I marinate this meat, I'm gonna leave it for about half an hour so that it will be well marinated before I start cooking it. Ensuring that the season. The seasoning get everywhere. So guys, I'm gonna leave this now for about half an hour before I start cooking. So stay tuned, guys. I am ready to cook. So there is my peas over there. And I'm gonna add my coconut milk to my peas right here. I'm also gonna put I love a lot of coconut milk in my peas, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna put some in that one. I'm gonna put some garlic here. And here's my pot over here getting heated for the meat. So I'm gonna do this. My kitchen is very small, guys. It's very small. My pot is now hot, guys, so I'm gonna add a little oil, just a little. Guys, I will be using these blocks of sugar for my browning. This is what I will use to make my browning. And if you may ask why I have browning, but I just love the flavor that the sugar gives off. So that's the reason why I prefer to use the sugar over the browning. So there I'm adding my sugar to the pot. Sugar is added to the pot, guys. So I will wait until my sugar is melted. So we will wait until the sugar is melted and become frothy. Once the sugar is melted and become frothy, then we can add our meat and cover the pot to spring its own water. So yes, guys, the sugar is now frothy, so we can now go ahead and add our meat. So this is my meat, guys. This is what my meat looks like now. So I will continue to stir it until I get my desired color. It should be something looking like this piece here. See, that's the color coming. My peas is still boiling over here. Yes, guys, this is what I'm looking for. This is exactly the color I am looking for. So I think I can now go ahead and season my pot. So I'm gonna add a little more water to this. Guys, tell me what you think about the color. Sugar do this, guys. Sugar, no browning. Sugar. So I'm gonna add a little more water. And I'm gonna add some seasoning. I'm gonna add that amount of water, not much. I want to get the taste of it. Yes, this can take some more seasoning. So I'm going to add, what didn't I use? I did not use this one. Guys, I have a seasoning here. I don't remember the name of it. I bought it in the Instabowl shop. It's this. It's all vegetables. It is all vegetable, guys. It's very good. So I did not use this one. So now I will use this one. This one is made, I don't remember the name of it, but it's very good. All vegetable. So that's the only one I will use now. And I will add some onions. I have some chopped onions here. I will add that. I have sweet pepper, but I will add the sweet pepper after because I don't like when it is cooked too soft. So I will add that one after. I'm gonna add a little ketchup. And I'm gonna add a little barbecue sauce. This is my favorite sauce. I prefer this one over the ketchup. So I'm gonna leave this to simmer. Then I add my sweet pepper. I'm gonna add a piece more thyme to it as well. 5 minutes. And then I can take it off the fire. And over here, let us see what is happening over here now. I think this is ready to be seasoned. So, yes guys, it is ready now. It's ready now, guys. So guys, as you can see, I switched the pots around. So here is my meat. So I think this is finished cooking now. So I will go ahead and turn my stove off for that one. And for this one, I will now add my seasoning to the pot. I will add my scallions. This is salt, all purpose, and that seasoning that I already showed you with the vegetables. I'll add this. I'll add my pepper. And I'll add my thyme. And I leave this to cook for a while before adding my rice to the pot. So I'll leave this. I'll add a little more water to this because I don't want it to burn. So that's it for now, I think. So I will turn this one off. That one is now off because that one is already cooked. So guys, I have already added my rice to the pot. So this is my rice. So I will cover for it to cook, and then you will see the finished product. So guys, here is my rice. This is my rice, guys. And this is my meat. So guys, comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think about my meal. So guys, here is my finished product. Gungo rice and peas with stewed pork, and I serve this with a glass of lemonade. That's a glass of lemonade, guys. So it's gungo rice and peas with stewed pork and a glass of lemonade. So guys, if you like this video, leave me a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And peace out until I see you in my next video.